Young Richie Davis is surrounded by a vibrant world of ear-shattering noise. A world that, unknown to Richie, will soon become nothing but echoes of a distant memory.
What's your problem? Seriously?
Excuse me? Why are you home?
I'm trying to teach our son some lessons.
Don't you? No. You were supposed to get a job today.
I've been looking all morning.
Really, all morning. It's 11 o'clock in the morning.
Could you please just give me some space?
No.
Blah, 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 blah.
Yeah. I don't think so.
Could you please just...
No.
Oh my goodness.
I'm paying for this drink. I'm paying for this house. I'm paying for let's sit in this house.
Okay, you know what? I'm sorry.
Really? Are you really
That's
sorry?
totally my fault.
It is your fault. I'm sorry.
Totally my fault.
It is your fault. I'm so glad you finally lost your job.
You know what?
Because of that.
As Richie trots down the street, admiring his noise-free environment, he will soon understand silence is not all it's cut out to be. Noise, an essential part of everyday life, being ripped from the clutches of young Richie Davis, as he is now doomed to live the remainder of his days as a deaf mute. Perhaps he wishes he had appreciated his circumstances a little bit more. Richie Davis, forever a victim of the silent switch.